Let me get mic'd up real quick. It is a candlelit dinner just for me and my honey. Just for me and my... Okay, that ain't right. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day 3. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve my ballerina bun. This hairstyle was inspired by my girl Sincerely Naya. She rocks these buns all the time. She says she got inspired by Kim Porter and how she used to wear her hair in a nice top knot like ballerina bun. So that's what I'll be showing you guys, how I achieved my ballerina bun in this video today. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so I am fresh out the shower. And my hair is dripping wet pretty much. And basically, I like to do this style on wet hair, starting off. And the first step is to make sure your hair is detangled. So I'm just laying my hair down. And I have it in the top of my hair because I like to detangle upward, so my bun is very sleek and flat on my head. So I'm gonna take some of Aunt Jackie's. This is their Quench leave-in conditioner, one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. If you watch my channel, you know this is one of my favorite products from Aunt Jackie's. And I'm just gonna take some of that. And I like to go ham, I'm not gonna lie, with leave-in conditioners, just because I feel like you can never be too moisturized, even though I think you can. But I'm just adding this all throughout the ponytail section of my hair mainly. So what I'm going to do is take a Denman, this is like a wig brush, but same deal, and I'm just going to brush the ends of my hair and slowly make my way up to the roots. And this is going to be in like a ponytail formation, so brushing from the ends, making sure we're keeping that hair in the top of the head, and just detangling. So you see how flat. All right, so now that I have all my hair brushed up into the top like this, I'm gonna just loosely tie it because I don't want my hair to kind of fall out of formation. So the next step I like to do is take some of Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over. This is their multi-purpose oil, and this adds a whole bunch of shine to your hair, which we kind of want our hair to look almost like a wet look, but in a bun. So I'm just gonna take some of that and put it all around the base of my hair. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of one of their thicker oils, which is their Frizz Rebel Coconut and Sweet Almond natural growth oil. And this is thick, like thicker than a Snicker. No, this is thick like syrup almost. And then I'm just gonna stamp that around the edges of the hair. And then as we work that just gonna use our hands, kind of working it up into the ponytail. And then we can take this loose hairband off. And now, come on, pony. Now we're gonna take a hard bristle brush and brush our hair to slick it down further. Now, depending on how long you plan on having this hairstyle in, you can add some gel to your hair to slick it down, or you can use some foam, some like setting mousse. But right now the oil is holding down my flyaways pretty well, or pretty good. I've been saying pretty well lately, I don't know why. But I'm gonna take a hair bow and I'm just going to secure my ponytail. And you want to make sure, if you want it in the top of your head, that you have it all the way up in the top of your head. That's how high I have my ponytail. It's pretty much in the top of my head. And now for the ponytail portion, I like to do a slight detangle one more time just to clump the curls on the outside of the ponytail. And then what I like to do is twist the hair like this, have it loose at the roots, and then we're just kind of picking up the hair to give it some height, and then we're just twisting the ends around the base. And then we're basically just gonna hair tie that all together. So again, twisting, wrap it around. And you almost have like a donut looking thing right here. And then we're putting another hair tie on top. And that one you only have to wrap like 3 times. It depends on whether you want it to show or not, what type of hair tie you use. And sometimes I like to use scrunchies. I don't know why, but scrunchies are making a comeback for me. And well, they've never been in style for me, but scrunchies do look cute if you have the right one. So now we have our bun in place, and I'm just gonna take one of my edge brushes to kind of make sure my hair is slick going into the bun. And we're already looking like a ballerina. We haven't even done the edges yet. And you can definitely do this hairstyle at night, since currently it is like winter and the colder season, so you could definitely do this at night. As we speak, it's 7:55 p.m. so I'm gonna do my hair like this, wrap it up, and then I'll be good to go in the morning. It'll look just as fresh. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. And if you haven't seen my edges tutorial, make sure you click the link up here and check that out. All right, I'm gonna grab a scarf real quick to lay down my edges. I'm gonna do a little something on the face, and then we'll be right back to finish off this hairstyle. All right, so I've had my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when we take that off, our edges are laid. They're not going anywhere. Our bun is set. And the last thing we're gonna do to top off this hairstyle is to add some Shine Boss, which is the Refreshing Sheen Mist. And this is from Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection. And this just adds a nice shine to your hair. So we're just gonna spray it all around. that sheen. Look at that sheen, honey, that luster, okay? But yes, that is all I do to achieve my ballerina buns. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 4. Guys, it's going down. I hope you're enjoying it thus far. Make sure you stay tuned. Check out Aunt Jackie's products. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and never forget, y'all, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye, guys.